Morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning at 8:30, and this is your pre-opening comment. It is video number 908, so let's get to it. Asia and Europe, both higher. New home sales comes out today at 10 a.m., and China is higher. Some of the Chinese stocks that I no longer follow. I'm just not willing to play in China. There are too many issues, too many problems, and frankly, too many gaps to the downside. But those stocks are substantially higher today. JD had earnings last night. It is up slightly, but so did Pinduo. PDD, which beat both top and bottom lines, and after closing 81.08 up 379, it has traded this morning as high as 91.80. Last is 90.60. That's up 9.43 or 11.4%. Alibaba and Baidu, both dramatically lower this quarter and this year, are also gainers this morning. But again, I don't play them. I'm not interested in them. Okay, so last night we had earnings for Palo Alto Networks. The stock had closed up 5.11 at 372. This morning it has traded as high as 417.80. The last is 416. That's up 470. Pardon me. That's not possibly right. Let me take a quick look here. Okay, so it closed at 372. Last is 415. That's up 44.70 or 1.14%. So a really nice gain there. Actually, again, that number is up about 14%. Advanced Auto Parts beat top and bottom line, but their same-store sales were down, and the guidance for those sales stores were down. The stock had closed 207.77, down $1.91, traded as low as 202. Last is 202.70, down 6.80 or 3.25%. Best Buy had earnings. It beat top and bottom line and solid guidance. That closed at 112.16 yesterday, down a fraction. This morning has traded as high as 120. Last is 117.83, up 417 or 3.6%. Medtronics, which is a maker of medical equipment, closed yesterday 128.48, down $1.42, beat top and bottom line, and is slightly higher. Traded as high as 131.60. Last is 130.30, up $1. And one more, Biopath, BPTH. This is a stock that has been reversed, 1 for 10 and 1 for 20, so basically 1 for 200. FDA cleared it this morning for a trial on AML, which is amyloid leukemia. The stock closed yesterday at 569, up 16. It has traded as high as 814 this morning. Last is 774. That's up 208 or 36%. So better than decent action. Jackson Hole is still on, but it is virtual, so we'll see what kind of headlines come out of there. And for today, after the close, we have a couple of retailers, Nordstrom and Urban Outfitters, both reporting. Toll Brothers reporting, and Intuit also reporting this afternoon. Okay, so the winner of the day in the futures, oil, after yesterday's move of $3.50, higher high, higher low again today, has traded as high as 67.89. Last is 66.72, but that is still up $1.08 or 1.65%. So from the day before the break, we have made up the entire move. We have quite a ways to go, and I guess I would have to draw this trend line across the tops. And that would give us some pretty serious resistance right along the same place as this 50-day moving average up here at 70 3/4. But there's still plenty of supply right here between 68 and 69 and a half. For the rest of the futures, stocks look a little bit higher. And let's see, we have the Dow looking to be up about 35. It was up about 60. S&P up about 2.5. Dow futures now up 33.29, and the Nasdaq futures are only up about $6. The gold is roughly unchanged, down 60 cents. The high is 1809, the low 1802. This is an area that's going to be very tough for the gold. This 18 to 1820 area, here's 18, here's 1820. This should prove to be a problem. Although we have the 5-day going through the 20-day yesterday on that $22 up day, we're still running right into the 50 and 100-day moving average, and the 200-day moving average comes in at, let's see, 1813.80. So that whole area are problems for the gold. I doubt it's going to shoot through there. It would need some major news, I would expect. And let's just take a look at Bitcoin down 65, Ethereum up $5.75, so no real action there. The dollar, which got pounded yesterday, it was down over $0.50. Closed 92.97, down 53 cents, and this morning is 92.98, so it's up less than a penny. And bonds are down 13 ticks. There's an awful lot of talk about tapering. All right, everyone, be careful out there. I'll be back later on, and I still really like the Starbulk trade, and we'll see how that works today. Have a good morning.